Another day, another story. How to generate income with Canva AI, a comprehensive guide. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. How to generate income using Canva AI. Canva AI is a powerful tool that combines the creativity of Canva with the capabilities of artificial intelligence, opening up new opportunities for entrepreneurs, artists, and content creators. So, let's dive right in. Hey, everyone. I'm your name, and today, we're going to explore how Canva AI can help you turn your creativity into income. Whether you're a graphic designer, social media manager, or aspiring YouTuber, Canva AI has something to offer for everyone. Before we jump into the money-making aspect, let's quickly familiarize ourselves with Canva AI. Canva AI is an enhanced version of the popular design tool, Canva. It leverages artificial intelligence algorithms to simplify and speed up the design process. With Canva AI, you can create stunning visuals, videos, and animations in a fraction of the time. Now that you understand what Canva AI is, let's explore how you can monetize your skills using this powerful tool. Canva AI can be your ticket to freelance success. Many individuals and businesses require visually appealing designs for their websites, social media posts, or marketing campaigns. You can offer your Canva AI expertise as a freelance designer on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. By showcasing your skills and providing excellent service, you can attract clients and earn income. Another fantastic way to generate income with Canva AI is by creating and selling design templates. With Canva AI, you can quickly create beautiful templates for various purposes: Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, presentation slides, and more. Platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, and Canva's own template marketplace allow you to sell your designs to a broader audience. If you're a content creator, Canva AI can be a game changer for your YouTube channel. You can create eye-catching thumbnails, video intros, and lower thirds to enhance the visual appeal of your content. Canva AI's animation features also allow you to add motion to your designs, making your videos more engaging and professional. Now that you know the different ways to generate income with Canva AI, let's discuss some essential tips for success. The design landscape is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to keep improving your skills and staying updated with new features and trends in Canva AI. Attend webinars, take online courses, and explore Canva AI's tutorials to enhance your abilities. Networking plays a vital role in any business or creative endeavor. Connect with fellow designers, content creators, and potential clients through social media, design forums, and local events. Building a strong portfolio showcasing your Canva AI work will help you attract more clients and opportunities. And that brings us to the end of our guide on how to generate income with Canva AI. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and continuous learning. So, start exploring Canva AI, hone your skills, and unlock the income potential it offers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep creating with Canva AI. Goodbye. Subscribe. Previous video. Social media handles. Thanks for watching.